Oh, look at what's here. Hello, friends. Hello. So you remember this big old monstrosity? This was our air compressor. And here a couple weeks ago, it was left on and it seized up. So that left us with no air compressor, and we definitely need it. We got to have the air for things like that here in the shop. I also have to have the air for my detailing. So my dad went to Northern Tool and bought the KLUTCH air tank, air compressor. Can you move? Can you move? Bella May, can you move? Thank you very much. Isn't that crazy? You have to change the tone of voice in order to get her attention. Anyway, back to the video. It says a 20-gallon, 175 Max PSI. It's oil-free, and you've got the push connections, and there's two. And we can control how much. But here's the best part. It doesn't sound like it's trying to walk away. So I gotta air up a couple of tires on my new car. So we're gonna do that today, see how well it does. And then I might put the air gun on it. Okay, so this is the pressure that it's gonna omit. That's about what I wanted at. These things are supposedly rated for 90 PSI, but you don't need that. For a detail, you don't need that. Now, one more test. So that is the butt test, and if you win the butt test, it wins. Anyway, I'm actually enjoying it. I've used it a couple of times. Like I said, I just needed to air up a tire, and I know I had not introduced this thing to you, and so I wanted to do that today. Anyway, I think this would be a good one if you're shop-based. It's upright, it's got 2 connections, or he's gonna run one of those air power tools, then it works out perfect for the both of us. So anyway, next things that we're gonna be working on is getting a hose reel because it sits on the floor. So, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.